Laughing through the cosmos. Neil deGrasse Tyson's hilarious space shenanigans. Buckle up, space cadets. Neil deGrasse Tyson isn't just the astrophysicist who makes black holes sound like cosmic cocktail parties. He's the master of turning quantum quirks into gut-busting gold. From roasting sci-fi tropes to dropping mic-level zingers on Twitter, Tyson's humor orbits the absurdities of the universe with pinpoint precision, proving that even the void can crack a smile. In his 2025 Star Talk specials and viral clips, he skewers everything from flat Earth fools to Hollywood's gravity-defying disasters, blending brainy wit with that signature bow-tie swagger. Whether he's explaining why aliens might ghost us, or pondering the physics of popcorn in zero-G, Tyson's moments remind us the cosmos is vast, weird, and hilariously indifferent. Stick around for 10 deep dives into his funniest space escapades, where science meets stand-up and the stars align for epic laughs. One of Tyson's all-time crowd-pleasers erupted on Twitter in 2016 when he unleashed a savage takedown of flat Earth believers with a single mic-drop tweet. "By the way, this is gravity," accompanied by a photo of a perfectly curved Earth horizon from space. It wasn't just a fact-check. It was a cosmic facepalm that racked up millions of likes and retweets, spawning memes faster than a supernova. Tyson, ever the educator with a comedian's timing, followed up in a Star Talk episode, imagining flat earthers at the beach yelling at waves to stop curving. This moment captures Tyson's genius for blending snark with science. He doesn't just debunk, he delights, turning denial into a punchline that exposes the universe's unyielding roundness. By 2025, with renewed flat Earth flares amid social media echo chambers, Tyson's tweet remains a viral vaccine against pseudoscience, proving humor's the best orbit for truth. It's a reminder that in a universe of 10 circumflex 24 stars, the funniest force is gravity's pull on our egos. Tyson's Star Talk compilations are comedy goldmines, but the 2022 Funniest Star Talk Moments montage stands out for its relentless riffing on Greek letters in science, affectionately dubbed Neil deGrasse Tyson Greeks Out. Picture Tyson, bow tie askew, dramatically reciting the Greek alphabet like a Shakespearean soliloquy. Alpha, beta, gamma. Wait, delta? That's not a fraternity, that's the change in your orbit. Chuck Nice, his straight man sidekick, loses it as Tyson escalates, mimicking ancient philosophers debating PI while juggling props like a foam planet. This bit, clocking in at over 10 minutes of escalating absurdity, went viral on Reddit's r.videos with 50K upvotes, fans hailing it as the periodic table of laughs. Tyson's humor here shines through his passion. He makes esoteric nomenclature feel like a cosmic improv show, turning symbols that baffle undergrads into hooks for wonder. In 2025, as quantum computing buzzes with Greek-inspired qubits, this clip resurfaces in memes, reminding us that even equations can groove to a funky beat. It's peak Tyson, educating through exasperation, one sigma at a time. Who knew astrophysics could riff on weed like a stoner comedy special? In a 2018 Motherboard interview clip that exploded on Twitter, Tyson dives into what happens if you smoke weed in space, his eyes lighting up like a supernova as he ponders zero-G highs. The smoke wouldn't rise, it'd just float around, turning the ISS into a hazy nebula. With exaggerated gestures mimicking astronauts puffing in microgravity, he escalates to cosmic absurdity. One wrong exhale, and you're exhaling your entire oxygen supply into a bong cloud. Poof! Lights out. Chuck Nice's wheezing laughter underscores the hilarity, as Tyson ties it back to real science, diffusion in vacuum versus Earth's convection, before quipping, "NASA's got enough problems without red eyes in orbit." This 4-minute gem, shared 100K plus times, blends Tyson's straight-laced expertise with playful what-ifs, making space feel less sterile and more like a giggly frontier. By 2025, with private space tourism booming via Blue Origin, fans remix it into AI-generated Tyson tokes on Titan vids, proving his humor orbits eternal. Talk about a contact high from the cosmos. Tyson's Twitter roasts of sci-fi are legendary, but his 2017 takedown of Gravity remains a Hall of Fame zinger. Spotting Sandra Bullock's perfectly coiffed bangs in zero-G, he tweeted, "Must be using really good astronaut mousse." Delivered with surgical sarcasm, it highlighted Hollywood's cherry-picking of physics. Everything floats except her hair, spawning a thread of 50K likes and fan art of Bullock with a hairspray jetpack. On Syracuse.com, quote, 2017 list of his top movie nitpicks, Tyson expanded.
They nailed the orbital mechanics but forgot follicles follow Newton too.
His delivery, a mix of mock-awe and eye-roll, turns pedantry into poetry, educating on tidal forces while evoking belly laughs. This moment, replayed in 2025's Tyson vs. Cinema YouTube Supercuts, underscores his charm. He celebrates science in films. I love that there's physics at all, before the punchline lands. In a universe of exploding stars, Tyson's barbs remind us, even black holes can't escape a good hair day joke. Cue the slow clap from the event horizon. Nothing slays like Tyson's deadpan delivery on the Fermi paradox, especially his 2015 tweet imagining alien first contact. Would be cool if space aliens landed on Earth and instead asked, "Take me to your common people." Clocking 20K retweets, it skewers our elite-obsessed society. Why probe leaders when the masses hold the real stories? In a CNN roundup of his hilarious space musings, Tyson elaborated on Star Talk. Aliens zoom in, scan our broadcasts, reality TV, TikToks of cats, and think, nah, these folks are already entertaining themselves into extinction. Chuck's cackle amplifies the absurdity as Tyson pivots to real SETI woes. Our signals are too weak amid cosmic noise. This gem, remixed into 2025 alien invasion memes amid UAP hearings, captures Tyson's wit. Profound questions wrapped in populist punchlines. The universe might be silent, but Tyson's got the mic, turning existential dread into interstellar improv. Beam me up, Scotty, there's comedy gold in the void. Tyson's feud with rapper B.O.B. over Flat Earth in 2016 birthed one of his most epic diss tracks, a 4-minute flat-to-fact freestyle where he rhymes,
B.O.B., you're a moron. Earth's round like the truth you can't handle.
Dropped on SoundCloud amid B.O.B.'s viral conspiracy push, it racked 10 million streams, with Tyson schooling on Eratosthenes' ancient measurements while dropping bars like, "Your horizon's a lie, curvature's the vibe." Chuck Nice joins for backup vocals, turning it into a hip-hop roast of pseudoscience. Know Your Meme crowned it Science Diss Supreme, spawning parodies galore. In 2025, as Flat Earth TikToks surge, Tyson's track resurfaces in viral challenges, proving his humor's half-life rivals plutonium. It's Tyson at his boldest. Wielding rhymes like relativity, he flattens folly with facts and flow, making space debates a blockbuster battle. Who needs lasers when you've got lyrical gravity? Clickhole's satirical. When a little girl told Neil deGrasse Tyson she wanted to live on Jupiter, he completely shut her down. 2016 went mega viral with 3K likes, imagining Tyson retorting,
Jupiter? Kid, that's a gas giant. No surface, just endless storms that'll turn you into cosmic confetti.
Though parody, it nails Tyson's blunt yet charming style, reposted yearly on R-Funny. In real life, Tyson's kid interactions sparkle. At a 2018 Hayden Planetarium event, a child asked about Mars colonies. He quipped,
Sure, but pack sunscreen. Radiation's no joke, unlike your dad's dad jokes.
Fans adore these, as in 2025's Tyson Tots meme threads. His humor disarms, turning teachable moments into ticklish triumphs, proving even gas giants can't escape a gentle gut punch. Little stars, big laughs, galaxies got jokes for days. Tyson's best space joke ever, from a 2021 YouTube clip, lands like a meteor. Why did the astronaut break up with his girlfriend? He needed space, but turns out she was just orbiting someone else. Delivered at a comedy roast with deadpan flair, it exploded with 5 million views, Chuck Nice slapping the table in stitches. Tyson builds it with setup on orbital mechanics, then twists to relational relativity, tying X's to eccentric orbits. What, Culture's 2015 sassiest Tyson quotes, lists it among gems like Uranus, more like your anus, pronounced Uranus in polite company. By 2025, it's a staple in astrophysics open mics, blending puns with physics for pundits. Tyson's timing? Impeccable as a pulsar. Precise, periodic, and packing a punch that echoes across the event horizon. Breakups hurt, but cosmic ones, they're out of this world. In his 2017 Syracuse lecture, An astrophysicist goes to the movies. Tyson eviscerates The Martian with loving jabs. Matt Damon grows potatoes on Mars? Cool, but where's the perchlorate filter? Those soils are toxic enough to poison a PhD. His animated reenactment of Damon farting for Thrust in Zero G had the crowd roaring, tying it to Newton's third law with a wink. Action reaction, baby, your butt's the rocket. Covered in Syracuse.com, this 90-minute set dissected 11 films, from Star Wars lightsabers, plasma whips, try melting your arm, to Interstellar, praise for accuracy, shade for the cornfield. Fans call it Tyson Unchained, with 2025 reruns on PBS sparking sci-fi smackdown trends. His humor, a black hole of hilarity, sucks you in, spits out wisdom, leaves you lighter than antimatter. Hollywood, take notes. Science slays. Tyson's 2025 photosynthesizing aliens YouTube short, a riff on plant people from other worlds, erupts in absurdity. Imagine E.T. with chlorophyll, green blood, solar-powered selfies, but allergic to shade. Beam me up, Scotty. I'm wilting. Clocking 2 million views, he ties it to exoplanet biosignatures from JWST, pondering methane-oxygen atmospheres as alien weed highs.
They'd be vegan vampires.
Posted amid 2025's K218b hype, it memes into E.T. eats sun chips. Tyson's delivery, wide-eyed wonder laced with sarcasm, makes the speculative sparkle, proving even hypothetical horticulture harvests hilarity. In a universe of dark matter, his lighthearted ETs brighten the void. Green with envy? Nah, just green with genius. Wrapping Tyson's cosmic comedy, his 2016 clickhole satire, Tyson Shuts Down Jupiter Dreamer, reposted endlessly, mirrors real charm, a kid's wild wish met with.
Jupiter? Gas giant, sweetie. No pizza delivery, just eternal hurricanes.
Though fake, it echoes his 2025 Kid Quanda, where a boy asked about moon bases.
Cool, but pack moon boots. Low G means you'll hop like a kangaroo on Red Bull.
Viral on Our Funny with 1K upvotes, it highlights Tyson's kid gloves off wit. Facts first, fun follows. As 2025's Artemis Kids programs boom, these moments inspire mini Tysons, turning telescopes into tickle trunks. His humor? A supernova of smarts. Explosive, illuminating, leaving stardust on your funny bone. If Tyson's space giggles launched you to orbit, smash like, subscribe for stellar Snickers, and comment your fave. Flat Earth flop or weed in weightlessness. The universe awaits your punchline. Keep laughing among the stars.